Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be studying class 5th math chapter number 5th, that is fraction problem set number 17. We will be completing in today's video. So let's start with the first question from the textbook itself. Write the proper number in the box. So three numbers have been given to us, two on this side and the third one on this side. So we have to use this number in order to find the numerator. Okay, denominator से हमें numerator मिलने वाला है. So how are you going to get that? It's very easy. First we will write the question, that is 1 upon 2, and this is the answer that you all have to find. नीचे 20 is been given to you all. Okay, so 1 upon 2. So you all have to understand that there has to be a multiplication between these two numbers in order to get this number. Okay, so अगर हमने 2 को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करा then only we are going to get 20 over here, isn't it? 2 10s are 20. So when we multiply a number over here, same number we have to multiply above, and the answer is going to be 10. So what is going to be the answer over here? 10. Got it, children? It's very easy. You have to use the same number for the numerator and for the denominator. So again we will do the same thing. We will write the question multiplication sign because a bigger number is there. ठीक है, so 15 we are already having. We will keep it ready in this way. Now how did we get 15? 3 को क्या से किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करने पे हमें 15 मिला? That you all have to ask yourself this question. That 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. That means the denominator is also to be multiplied with 5. 5 4s are 20. So over here हमें लिखना है 20. It's very simple. You have to use the numbers in order to get the answer for the numerator as well as denominator. Now 9 and 11 किससे मल्टीप्लाई करने पे हमें यहाँ पे 18 आएगा, and the denominator you will have to find it over here. Now when we multiply 9 with 2, so 9 2s are 18, so 11 2s are 22. So remember, whenever you are taking any number for numerator, same number denominator को लिखना है. Answer 8 का आंसर हमारे पास है, so we can use it for finding the another number. Next we are going to solve 10 and 40. Now over here children, remember कहाँ पे multiply करना है and कहाँ पे division करना है. Okay, so over here 10 and 40 is being given, and over here small number, that is 8. 40 से 8 छोटा है, isn't it? So we have to divide. When a bigger number has been given and smaller is to be found, what we have to do? We have to divide. Okay, so multiplication के लिए बड़ा number आता है, division के लिए छोटा number आता है. That thing you all have to remember. Now what we are going to divide in order to get 8 with 40. ओके, तो 8 मिलने के लिए 40 से हमें क्या डिवाइड करना है? दैट क्वेश्चन यू ऑल हैव टू आस्क योरसेल्फ. सो व्हेन वी डिवाइड 5 8s are 40. ओके, लॉजिक हुआ. 5 8s are 40. सो 5 को हमने यहाँ पे भी डिवाइड करना है. 5 2s are 10. सो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? 2. Got it? So don't get confused. It is very easy to solve. Same way we will solve the next one. That is the fifth one. 14 26 और नीचे दिया है 13. And then we have to again divide. Why divide? Because we are having a smaller number over here. ठीक है? So if we divide 26 with 2, so 2 13s are, or 13 2s are 26. तो 2 को अगर 26 से डिवाइड किया है तो न्यूमरेटर इज ऑल्सो टू बी डिवाइडेड विथ 2. 2 7s are 14, तो यहाँ पे आएगा 7. Got it? Now the next sum we will solve, that is the sixth one. 3 4 and 6. Now यहाँ पे थोड़ा उल्टा करके दिया है. Don't get confused. We have to do the same thing, but bigger number is there, smaller we have to find. That means again we have to divide. Okay, and what we have to find? the numerator. So what we have to divide in order to get 3 आने के लिए 6 को किससे डिवाइड करोगे? So 2s are 2, 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So over here 2 will come. Very simple and easy method I am teaching you. No other method is there in order to teach you this. You all have to be little, you have to use little logic over here. Okay, now the seventh one is 1 4 upon 20. Okay, so again smaller number, तो means we need to divide it. यहाँ पे 1 already दिया हुआ है. Okay, so click होना चाहिए. What will come? 4. 4 1s are 4. तो 4 5s are 20. So answer is going to be 5, isn't it? Eighth one is going to be 5, 10 and 25. Again we have to divide 10 and 25 with the number to get 5. तो obviously हमें पता है 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 2. Got it? So in this way children, you all have to find the answers using the given numbers. Only thing you all have to remember, अगर छोटा नंबर है और बड़ा फाइंड करना है, multiply it, and बड़ा नंबर दिया है, छोटा फाइंड करना है, then you all have to divide it. Okay, be logic in asking yourself the question कि what we have to multiply, what we can divide, then you will get your answer easily. Let's move on to the second question from your textbook. Find an equivalent fraction with denominator 18 for each of the following equivalents. Okay, तो अबे हम ये numbers use करना है and we have to get all the denominators as 18. ठीक है, so question number 2, first one is 1 upon 2. So they have already said we need denominator 18. That means what we need to multiply? We need to multiply with 9. तो हमें यहाँ पे 18 आएगा and ऊपर 9 आएगा. So what we are going to get over here? 9. Got it children? For all the questions we have to get the denominator as 18. ठीक. Now second is going to be 2 upon 3 means 18 हमें यहाँ पे लाना है. Answer we have to find. Already we have been given 18 आना चाहिए. So 2 and 3 multiply. So what we are going to multiply 3 with 3 6 are. तो 6 यहाँ पे भी 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 12. Next is going to be 4 upon 6. अब हमें यहाँ पे denominator already 18 दिया हुआ है. We have to multiply 6 with such a number that हमें 18 denominator में मिलने वाला है. So 6 3s are 18, 4 3s are 12. Alright, fourth one is 2 upon 9. So यहाँ पे 18, 2 upon 9 multiplied with what? 2s are 2, 2 2 4s, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18. तो यहाँ पे आ गया 4. Got it children? I think it is getting clear to you all. अगर कुछ नहीं समझ में आता है, do let me know in the comment section. Fifth one is 7 upon 9, 18 denominator में, तो यहाँ पे 7 upon 9 multiply और 18. So 9 को किससे multiply करेंगे तो 18 आएगा. 9 2s are 18. So over here also multiply with 2. 7 into 2 is going to be 14. So your answer will be 14 over here. Sixth one is 5 upon 3. So 18 आना चाहिए. 5 and 3. तो 3 6 are 18. 6 यहाँ पे भी. Answer will be 30 in this way. Got it children? So I hope it is clear to everyone that what we have to find. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. In case you all are finding anything difficult, let me know in the comment section. In the next question we have to do the same thing. are being given a denominator which is to be 5 for each of the following statement. अब यहाँ पे multiply करा, ठीक है. Now you will see everywhere there is a bigger number and we have to find 5 at the denominator. That means we have to divide. Okay, remember smaller जब number find करना होता है we have to divide, जब बड़ा number find करना होता है we have to multiply. So question number 3 is first one, 6 upon 15. तो 6 divided with what? 15 divided with what in order to get 5? So अगर हमें 5 चाहिए तो यहाँ से 3 करेंगे. 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6. Got it? Next one is 10 upon 25. तो 10 को किससे डिवाइड करोगे? 25 को किससे डिवाइड करोगे ताकि डिनोमिनेटर 5 आ जाए? सो 5 5s are 25, 5 numerator में भी 5 2s are 10. The third one is 12 upon 30. So 12 divided with 30 divided with what to get the denominator 5. So 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 6 5s are 30. Got it, children? 6 upon 10. So 6 divided and 10 divided. Answer हमें चाहिए 5. So 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6. This is the easiest way that I am showing you all, children. इससे ज़्यादा easy कहीं पे भी नहीं मिलने वाला है. You all have to practice them in such a way कि आपको बार बार ये सम दिया तो भी यह आंसर आना चाहिए. Okay, now 5 में 35 कब आता है? 7s are 5 7s are 35 और 7 5s are 35. Same over here, 7 3s are 21. Got it? So it is very easy to find. Now let's move on to the fourth question, which says we have to find the pairs of equivalent fraction. इसमें से ही क्वेश्चन भी है, आंसर भी है. वी हैव टू फाइंड द सेम आंसर टू द गिवन क्वेश्चन. ओके, सो इसमें से ही फाइंड करना है. क्वेश्चन 4, 2 upon 3. सो 2 upon 3 अब कैसे आएगा? लेट्स सी. 2 upon 3 we will be getting we will write all the numbers and then we will find the pairs, children. तो ऐसे में हमें ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. ओके, सो आई विल राइट द क्वेश्चंस फर्स्ट. सो 2 5 upon 7, then 5 upon 11. ओके, तो ये तीनों चीज़ें एंड देन वी विल राइट 7 upon 9 ऑल्सो. 7 upon 9. So along with the what questions I have written 1 2 3 4 मैंने ये चारों questions लिख लिए. We will find the pairs. तो 7 upon 9 का पेयर तो मेरे पास है, that is 14 upon 18. ओके, कैसे क्या आता है? सी 7 2s are 2 7s are 14, 2 9s are 18. ओके, 2 7s are 14, 2 9s are 18. मतलब इसका इक्विवेलेंट तो हमें मिल गया, दैट इज 14 upon 8. यू ऑल हैव टू डिवाइड एंड चेक. तो ये दोनों पेयर्स तो हो गए. नेक्स्ट इज 5 upon 11. सो 5 upon 11. अभी इसको कट करके कैसे आ जाएगा? आई थिंक दिस विल बी द पेयर. सो इसे हम कट करते हैं. 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3 1s are. तो हम साइड में मैं करके दिखाती हूँ. 5 upon 11 है और नेक्स्ट पेयर हमने जो फाइंड किया है 15 upon 33. सो 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3 1s are. yes, तो ये हमें पेयर मिल गया, दैट इज 15 upon 33. नेक्स्ट वी विल फाइंड फॉर, अब ये भी हो गया है. नेक्स्ट वी विल फाइंड फॉर 18 and 27. ओके, सो 18 and 27. 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. तो इसका पेयर हमें मिल गया, दैट इज 18 upon 27. नेक्स्ट इज 5 upon 7. सो 2, देखो 5 upon 7 है, उसका इक्विवेलेंट दिया है 10 upon 14. सो 2 5s are 10, 2 7 ज़ा 14, तो सेम आया कि नहीं? यस, तो इसका 10/14 है. Got it? So in this way you all have to complete the given equivalent pairs. Now let's move on to question number 5. Find two equivalent fraction for each of the following fractions. अब ये fractions हमें दिया है. We have to find pairs. अपने मन से कोई भी इसके pairs find करने हैं, two equivalent pairs. So question number 5, 7/9. So देखो 21/27, फिर नेक्स्ट पेयर है 14/18. देखो 21/27, सो 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27. आ गया 7/9. नेक्स्ट पेयर मैंने लिया 14/18, तो 2 7s are 14, 2 9s are 18, तो 7/9 अगेन. मतलब ये जो है इसके हमने पेयर्स फाइंड करने हैं ऐसे जिससे हमें आंसर्स मिल पाए. सो आई हैव टेकन 2, यहाँ पे 3 लिया था, 3 × 7 एंड यहाँ पे 3 × 9. ओके, तो मैंने 7/9 फाइंड कर लिया. फॉर दिस 2 × 7 एंड यहाँ पे 2 × 9. Alright, now next pair is 4/5. So 4/5 के मैंने pairs find किए, 8/10 and 12/15. इसके भी मैं pairs करके बताती हूँ. 8/10 मतलब 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are, तो 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. नेक्स्ट मैंने लिया 12/15, तो 12/15 का मैंने कैसे करा है, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. तो मैंने 4/5 as been given in the pair मैंने फाइंड कर लिया. नेक्स्ट इज 3/11. You all can find any numbers. इससे भी ज़्यादा numbers आप ले सकते हो. मैंने 2 और 3 mainly यूज़ करे हैं because they are easy to find. You will not get confused. तो ज़्यादा करके तो 2 और 3 के tables ही यूज़ कर लो. Okay, now for this also 6/22 and 9/33. तो 6/22, 2 3s are 2 11s are, isn't it? 2 3s are 6 and 2 11s are 22. Next is 9/33. 3 3s are 9 and 3 11s are 33. So मैंने ये पेयर ले लिया. I hope this exercise is clear to everyone. अगर कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम फेस होता है while solving, practice it. And in case you are finding it difficult, let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.